Hey, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing IVE's Revive. I'm going to start off with these freebies. We have Ray, Yujin, Gao, Liz, Isa, and Wonyoung. Now let's start with the first version, which is the Challengers version. So this is the Challengers version. On top I have 3 Apple Music bonus photo cards. Let's take a look at them. The first card is Isa. Next is Liz. And last we have Yujin. Now let's open the Challengers version. So first we have the CD. Next we have this poster. Lastly we have this photo book. I dumped everything out of it, so now we can flip through. In terms of the contents in the photo book, we first have the sticker, another sticker, this one says bang bang, another sticker that says black hole, and this IVE sticker. We have this postcard of Gao, and lastly we have this photo card of Gao. Now let's move over to the next version. Next is the Bangers version. Let's open it up. Okay, I dumped everything out, so now we can flip through. Now let's look at the contents that were inside. Let's start with the CD. Next we have this poster. We have this sticker sheet. Next we have a postcard. This postcard is good. And lastly, this photo card is of Ray. Let's move over to the last version. This is the last version I have, and it's the loved IVE version. Let's open it. So this is how it looks when you first open it. So we have Isa's character. Let's set her up. There she is. Next, we have these stickers of everyone's characters. Yujin, Gao, Ray, Wonyoung, Liz, and Isa. Next, we have the CD. We have these postcards. As you can tell, they're dressed like their characters. Next, we have this photo book. Let's flip through. Next, we have this poster. And last but not least, we have this photo card. I have Gao. All right, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoy, and I will see you next time. Bye.